Hi, Terry Langham from Medway Realty here today at an open house in Bird Bay Plaza. Let's go take a look at it. It's a 2-bedroom convertible unit with 2 lanais, Murphy bed, dining area, counter bar looking into the updated kitchen. Very nice. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, very nice. And then you have 2 bathrooms, both updated. This is the first one, very nice. Master bedroom with its own lanai. Then you have a walk-in closet. Another bathroom, very well taken care of. These folks have only lived here for a few months in the wintertime, so taking very good care of it. Nice view out the back, and of course, a full-size washer and dryer.